Hi, hello, good morning. So my name is Jinwell Abel. So I will discuss all about the graph theory in discrete mathematics. So all about the tackle is guide to walk, trails, path, circuits, and cycle. So now, next, about the summary. A walk are defined to close and open walk. Second, a trail is a walk with no repeated edges. Third, a path is a trial with no repeated vertices. Fourth, closed trails are also known as circuits. And fifth, a circles is a no repetition of vertices. Next, illustrate an explanation. About the closed and open walk, is a closed walk is a when you start and on the same vertex. For example, started at A and then at A. So, for example, to A, B, E, and A. Check. And next, open walk is a when you start and ended different vertices. So, it started at A and then to on B. So, example, A, B, E, D. So, example of open walks. Next, so trails. So, illustrate about the trails. Open trails is example of D, G, E, F. So, open. Next, closed trails. D, G, E, D. So, closed trails. Next, circuit or closed trails. Sample, E, G, D, A, B, D, E. So next, path. For example, a path D, G, E, F. Example ulit. A, B, and C. So next, all about the path but the closed path. So D, G, E, D. So next, no repeated vertices and edges is a wrong. For example dito, D, C, and B. So bumalik lang. So mali yon. So no repeated vertices and edges. So next, cycle. A, D, E, F, C. B, A. So next, D, G, at E. So next, I will discuss, I will thank you this report about mathematics in the guide to walk, trails, path, circuits, and cycle. So thank you everyone. In another way, my name is Jinwell Abel from BSIT.